from your Weather Authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, nice to have some normal December weather while we prep for this big winter storm set to arrive on Thursday afternoon. The main time of concern, at least for travel, I think is going to be later Thursday afternoon through Thursday evening, and then conditions will gradually improve in terms of the travel, but the wind and the cold will not. It's going to feel like as low as 25 below zero when we wake up on Friday morning. So these numbers today, though chilly, were seasonable and a lot better than what's coming our way. 30 was the low, 47 the high, and most of the area came in this afternoon in the mid-40s. We're going to be in that ballpark again tomorrow. But as we check out the alerts, the winter storm watches for most of the tri-state except Hopkins and Muhlenberg counties. That's where the snowfall amounts may be a little bit lighter, but still you're going to get an advisory down there, and the travel is still going to be difficult. And they may expand the watch once they decide to go into the warning phase across other parts of the tri-state. Same with the wind chill watch. Most of the tri-state except the far eastern and northern fringes of the tri-state for that potential of a wind chill feels like temperature of 20 to 25 below zero. That will likely be upgraded to either a warning or advisory as we get closer to Thursday. It's all quiet right now, and again, that'll be the case until later on Thursday when rain showers begin to develop that will be changing over to snow. But we're mainly clear right now. Downtown Evansville, our Superior Ag Tower camera, the temperature's at 34, north wind at around 8. And we're in the upper 20s to low 30s across the area. The computer trying to estimate where the freezing line is, and that will be important Thursday afternoon, but it will be rushing in from the west. We're going to see big-time temperature drops with this front as it sweeps across the area on Thursday afternoon. The storm system has yet to develop. The energy is hitting the west coast, so it's going to begin to take shape later tomorrow in the plains and really intensify as it rockets right over the area on Thursday and then dragging down all that bitter cold Arctic air behind it later Thursday into Thursday night. So right now, mainly clear skies. We got a few clouds approaching from the west, and we'll see those increasing across the area tomorrow. So let's take a look at how things are going to play out. Updated future tracker since we last joined you at 6 o'clock. We keep it mainly clear overnight. The clouds increase tomorrow. No issues there with high temperatures a lot like today, generally running in the mid to upper 40s across the area, forecasting 46 to 47. So another good day to get out and take care of any kind of errands that you need to do, because come Thursday afternoon, the driving conditions will begin to deteriorate across the area. No problems Wednesday night. Thursday morning, we are fine across the area with mostly cloudy skies, a few spotty showers. But here we go. By noon, still a little rain here and there with the rain-snow line beginning to push into the northwest corner of the tri-state. And our newest run here hasn't changed the timing all that much. By 3 p.m., we're beginning to change over to snow along the I-69 corridor, including the Evansville, Henderson, Newburgh area. And then by 6 p.m., we have the entire area over to snow, and that's when the heaviest will be falling late Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening, but the snow will be turning progressively drier. The winds are going to be blowing it around, so when it comes to accumulations, very tricky as you go from a wet snow to a powdery dry snow before it all pulls away later Thursday evening. We're still under snow at 9 o'clock in the evening, but by midnight it begins to pull away and it will be gone by daybreak on Friday. But that's when the cold and the wind become the big story. We may see a little bit of clearing on Friday afternoon, but temperatures in the single digits all day long. Now, in terms of snow, I think we all have a good chance of picking up an inch, maybe as much as 4 inches, and I think the greater likelihood for picking up heavier 3 to 4 inch amounts will be in areas north of I-64. I think a good chunk of the tri-state will come in between 1 to 3 inches, with the lighter amounts down here in our southeastern counties. But even with an inch of snow, with this kind of drop in the temperature, the roads are going to ice up quickly, no matter if you get an inch or you get 3 to 4 inches. And look at the wind chill. 3 p.m. on Thursday afternoon feels like 39 in Evansville, feels like 9 in Fairfield. So watch what happens between 3 o'clock. We're 39 in Evansville. Our wind chill down to 6 degrees by 6 p.m., down to 14 below by 9 p.m. And by daybreak Friday morning, those wind chills perhaps as low as 25 below zero. So mainly clear overnight, mid-20s. Tomorrow the clouds increase, feeling a lot like today, mid to upper 40s. 7-day forecast. We got the snow alert up for Thursday afternoon and evening. No problems in the morning. Scattered rain showers will be changing over to heavier snow as we head into the mid to late afternoon hours. The heaviest snow will fall late afternoon and evening as the winds begin to gust up to 45 miles per hour. The snow is gone by Friday morning. The snowfall, what's on the ground, is going to stick around through Christmas, but 1 degree to start Friday morning, 9 for the high. We're down to 3 on Saturday for the morning, 14 for the high Saturday afternoon, 22 on Sunday, still at or below freezing on Monday, and then finally cracking the melting point Tuesday of next week. So yes, we're going to get some snow. That's going to cause slippery conditions out there, but that cold could be some of the coldest air we've dealt with in nearly 20 years.
I feel like 25 degrees below zero. Wow.
Yeah, that's really, really dangerous. Yeah,
absolutely. Thank you, Wayne.